Realme X50 Pro Player Edition with 4.8MP quad cameras, cooling system launched in China. Realme held a launch event simultaneously in India, as well as China. While the former saw it unveil the much-awaited Realme Watch and Smart TV, the company launched the gaming-centric Realme X50 Pro Player Edition in China. It can be seen as a slightly cheaper version of the flagship Realme X50 Pro that launched earlier this year. Realme X50 Pro Player Edition boasts a new design, a 4.8MP quad camera setup, and a few gaming-related upgrades under the hood. Most of the hardware and internal specs remain the same as the original X50 Pro, so check out the details right here. I'm going to focus on what's new in the Realme X50 Pro Player Edition instead of listing out the entire specs sheet. Realme X50 Pro Player Edition, what's new? Design. First off, Realme X50 Pro Player Edition brings along a new design. The company has become known for its shiny gradient back panel, and this flagship phone is no different. The company has swapped out the matte finish glass on Realme X50 Pro for a shiny 3D curved glass panel on the Player Edition. It comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the rear. Cooling system. As I mentioned above, the internals remains the same as its elder sibling. It means you have the Snapdragon 865 SoC, along with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. However, the biggest upgrade that Realme X50 Pro Player Edition brings along is a cooling system. It includes a vapor chamber and multi-layer graphene sheets on the inside to keep temperatures in check while gaming. The hardware cooling system is coupled with HyperBoost 3.0 technology. Realme states that the phone will allocate all chipset, memory, and battery resources towards offering enhanced gaming experiences to the user. Cameras. Realme X50 Pro Player Edition swaps out the original 6.4MP quad camera array for a 4.8MP quad camera array. It's a minor downgrade over the original X50 Pro. The primary 4.8MP camera onboard here is coupled with an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP macro camera instead of a 1.2MP telephoto camera, and a 2MP mono lens. As for the dual-camera punch-hole cutout on the front, the device packs a 1.6MP primary camera and a 2MP depth sensor. It's also a downgrade over the 3.2MP primary plus 8MP ultra-wide camera setup on the original. Apart from this, Realme has made no other changes to its flagship smartphone. You still get a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, a 4200 mAh battery pack with 65W Super Dart fast charging support, and 5G connectivity support out of the box. The device runs Android 10-based Realme UI. Price and availability. Realme X50 Pro Player Edition will retail at 2,999 yuan, around Rs. 31,999 for the 6GB plus 128GB variant. The 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 128GB variants, on the other hand, will see you shell out 3,299 yuan, around Rs. 34,999 and 3,599 yuan, around Rs. 38,299, respectively. The smartphone comes in two stunning colorways, namely Silver Light and Phantom Black. Realme also showed off the X50 Pro Anniversary Edition with the company's logo reflecting under light all across the back of the device. It will go on sale from June 1 in China.